my pet seagull, Jeremiah.
Hello, sister.
Shut up, Jeremiah.
I saw you in last track.
This is a knockoff game.
Hello,
You can
Shut up.
You.
How about you shut up? I'm poisoning. That's it. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you, right?
No, you better not.
With poison. Dodge.
Poor Jeremiah.
Yeah.
I'm a minigame kid, brother.
No, I'm not a minion kid. I have a top hat.
Let me change it to my fit.
I got so many cosmetics.
Stab you with it. Oh wait, party out.
Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah.
I know, these are...
Or you can buy it for $3.50.
Okay, come to me.
You can buy this now.
Wrong one.
Guys, my
Huh?
grandpa passed away on Thursday.
Womp womp.
So sad.
Yo, fuck your video. Fuck your video.
Grandpa is very rare. So you put six.
I'm actually put on these weird cosmetics. Do I look weird now? No.
No.
Look.
Is it G
There we go.
R-A-M-P-A? 616.
In a bit, I'm going to beach.
GRAMPA.
Wait.
Wait.
So just put 666, Grandpa.
Yeah. Why is my color code black? There we go.
Who wants to do ghost hunting?
Maybe.
Don't ask it in front of my face. I ain't answering.
Going to visit Jeremiah's home place. Oh,
Hey, you want to see me fly?
No, wait. I got her. Get
You. Yep. What's that do for you now? What's that do for you now?
nothing.
What do you mean?
They've changed the texture here. Pants, chest, fur, plot. So what would you class as a paw? Because holdables are just basically paws. Holdables are paws because you hold them with your paw.
That would not work.
I just sent purple flying.
That's what I wrote. Always been
Bye.
Oh my. I just threw my controller across the room. I'm coming back, don't worry. Don't worry.
There.
Okay, bye.
Can you change the tail? No.
Oh shit. Oh no. How?
Do that. Wait. It's okay for percentage. Now let's see what Jeremiah looks like with my foot. And so Jeremiah's going to be a permanent addition. Just like the blood ones. Oh my god. What is it with my tracking today?
Any damn public lobby. This is a normal human being.
No, it isn't.
And you will see him, and you will spot him doing something.
Yeah, there's Jeremiah even up. Yep, Jeremiah's a part of the fit. Once again.
He's gay.
Okay, yeah,
And game over.
type this code.
And then I'm making my own map for him.
F1, please.
Boom.
1 second, okay.
What the hell? Oh my god. Monkey Blocks is glorified Lego. I have an idea. The hell? I don't even know what that is, but what the where did no. Sideways, but back up, dude. Oh, ah. Yoink! Take a fan. Let's make map. Yes. Yeah. Are you kidding? Oh my god, this guy sucks. I'm up there. Hey, Dad. Guess what?